Traders, welcome back to the Future Prop Trader channel. Today we are diving deep into one of the most intriguing and effective strategy out there, the ICT Judah swing strategy. This technique can be a game changer for your trading arsenal if you are looking to explore the market manipulation to your advantage. So this one is a great one. We will show and break down everything you need to know about this strategy, from identifying the right market condition and the key level to making your move and setting your stop. Whether you are a beginner looking to understand the basic or experienced trader aiming to refine your approach, this video will provide valuable insight that can help you spot and capitalize on this deceptive market move. Here's a diagram of the ICT Judah swing. Now, the one that I will be showing you is a modified version that I will be showing. As with all ICT strategy, most of the time it's about liquidity, finding where the liquidity is and get ready to take a trade from what happened in that location. So same for Judah swing. It's a strategy where price will go for liquidity somewhere, and most trader will think that price is just gonna break down, and then from there it will come back and make the real move. So that is what it is all about when you are looking at the Judah swing. Now, however, there is a time window when that happens. So stay tuned as we unravel the secret of trading the ICT Judah swing, helping you turn potential market betrayal into profitable opportunities. Don't forget to hit that like button if you find this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more trading insight. Let's get started. Now, the normal version of ICT Judah swing most people follow, a lot of people follow, is they look at the Asian high and the Asian session low, and then from there they would, if you are a London trader, then you would look for a break above the high of the Asian session, and then from there look to catch a trade once price come back and break a structure. So you would catch the bearish trade in this case, in this example. And on the New York session, which is the session that I trade, then you would look for price to come back to where London has reached target and possibly come back there and create a double bottom and then catch the move. Or you can go with my new approach. It is a simple way. I will get to it right now on the chat so you can see it. The new one that I am using is much simpler, and I think most traders that seen this video, that's gonna see this video, will like it. All right, let's get to it. All right, okay, this is a 15-minute chat. So my new approach and the way that I am using this ICT Judah swing is just by looking at the 15-minute charts. The time window that I will be looking at is from 9 a.m. to 9:15 candle. I will be looking at what's the high and the low between these two time frame, between the time frame of 9 a.m. to 9:15, and then from there I am gonna look to catch a trade between 9:30 and 9:45. That is the window that I'm gonna be looking to catch the trade. What am I looking at that time? It will be where price can come and manipulate the traders that think price is just gonna go a certain way, and then price would come and then change direction once again. Is this let's look at this example here. Right? What happened? So you see right here, this is right here, if you look here, this is 9 a.m. So this is the 9 a.m. candle right there, that doji, right? So, and this is the 9:15 candle. So what I'm gonna do is draw a marking the top of the 9:15 and the 9 a.m. So what I'm looking is the high and the low between this time frame. So I marked here, that's the high, and the low happened to be right here. So hold on, give me 1 second. There we go. All right, this is the low on the 15-minute, right? So once you do this, you're gonna go to your time frame where you take your trade. And then what you are looking to find out is on the 9:30 candle to 9:45 candle, you need to see price to either punch below it or above it, right? In this case, since we want to have the trade working on our favor, we can see clearly the order flow was going to the upside. So therefore, we are not looking for a bearish trade. We are looking to catch a bullish trade. So we would be looking for price to punch below the low of the 9:15 candle right there. And then from there, we would look to catch a trade possibly around this area once price coming back and break above this area here, which is, let's say, 18,058. Once price break above it, we would catch our trade and put our stop right below there, right below this area here, which would be around 18,040. So from there, this is how we would catch the trade and then have a target up here. All right, how about that? Let's get to a couple examples so you can see this specific strategy in action. So that way you will see and understand exactly how it works. All right, let's get to it. All right, so this is the first example. So this candle here, as I explained before, that we're going to mark the high and the low of specific candle, right? In the 15-minute chart. This is the 15-minute chart. So the market hasn't opened yet. So this candle right here is 845, but we're not worrying about that for now. What we need is between 9 and 9:15 that we're gonna look to mark the candle. So this red candle right here is the 9:15 one. So I mark the high and I mark the low. Now what I'm gonna be waiting for is for price to punch below it, and then try to, why I'm looking for price to punch below it, you can see the prior order flow has been to the upper side. Now they have some struggle right here, but look at the area where this action is happening on the next on that opening day. There were support and there's a high volume node in that same area, which indicating there has to be some type of demand in that search area. So therefore, I am gonna look to catch a long once I see a reversal is happening. All right, remember, Judah swing is a trap. They trap the traders that think price is just gonna collapse. So that is what I'm going to play out here so you can see what happened. All right, let's get to it. And actually, I'm gonna switch to my smaller time frame where I can enter the trade. All right, this is the 5-minute charts over here, and this is the my entry charts where I'm gonna enter the trade, right? So this is where we are currently, and I'm going to look to enter the trade as soon as possible. But remember, we try to catch the trades before 9:40. If you look at where price is currently is right now, it's around 9:15, so there's still a lot of time. So, but since my plan is to catch the trade around between that 9:30 window to 9:45, so I'm gonna get ready to place my order. I have a 3 contract order. I'm gonna use 2 of them as so I'd like to catch it here, but it's kind of early, right? So let's see what price action do before we even enter the trade, right? All right, let's get to it. All right, the price is moving, attempting to move back up, right? And it's still very early, and so we have time to prep and catch that trade. All right, price is moving, and uh, the first 5 minutes is passing by, so that means it will be like around 9:20. So we're gonna speed up the price a little bit so we can get closer to the time that we want. All right, now it is 9:30. So it's about to be 9:30. So we're gonna try to see if we can get ready to catch the trade. It looks like the trade is about to run away from me. So I'm gonna go and catch the trade. Since it break there, my stop will be a bit wide because of the fact, okay, I'm gonna try to catch it right there. It's 9:30, market open. Let's see if we could catch the trade there. All right, we are in the trade, so I'm gonna move my stop really quick because I don't wanna, because it's the time that the market open, right? So my stop need to be all the way down here, and my first target, I'm looking to get out right here. Boom, first target hit. Now I am gonna keep my stop down here where it is for now because price is fluctuating. I am gonna slow down price a little bit so you can see what's happening, and price is moving. And at this point I can say that I already catch a nice profit on that first target, so I'm just gonna keep trailing my stop. And this happened right at the open of the market, right? But the point was I was looking at it before the open between 9 and 9:15, looking for price to come right slightly below here, which happened, right? Price come below there and then move back up. This is right here. I'm talking about right here. You see where price punch right here? Yeah, price punch below there and then start moving. All right, that's it. I think for this example, you see clearly what I'm looking at. So I'm gonna try to get out of that trade. So I'm out of the trade. I'm gonna show you one, so that way you can better understand what happened. Okay, this is the second example. So we are about to take the trade. So as you can see, I already marked it. So this candle here, you can see this is the 9:15 candle. So this is the low of it. So I mark the low, and I can clearly see the high that exists below. I mean, back there is all the way up there. So I mark it. Now, what is the order flow look like? That we were going up to the moon, right? So therefore, I am still gonna try to catch a trade to the upside, even though you can see that price stall around here, right? But it hasn't break any area that says that it's gonna go down. So therefore, I'm looking to catch the trade, the Judas swing trade, in for a long. How? Because how I'm gonna do that is to see if price break below here slightly, and once it's coming back between the hour of 9 to 9:45, between the 9:30 to 9:45 time frame, I will be looking to catch a trade and then put my stop somewhere in an area safe to stay in the trade, right? So let's see what happened. It's currently around the 9:15. So we're gonna play it out and see what happened here. Now, I'm gonna go to smaller time frame so you can see the price action much better. Okay, this is the 5 minute right there, and this is my entry chart. What I'm looking for is for price to poke below there. It looks like this time it may not happen. Let's see if it does happen. And remember, we're trying to catch the trade between the 9:30, the open, to 9:45. So that's why I'm still waiting. I think that it will give us an opportunity to catch a trade. So I'm waiting to see if it does. Okay, it looks like it's about to go below it, and it did not. It is. It's still holding, and the time is in 4 minutes, 3 minutes or so, it will be 9:30. Okay, we can see now it did punch through it. All right, it punched through it and it began to retrace, right? So here's where we're going to catch our trade right here, 3 contract. So we'll take it here and we'll put our stop. Let's see, I will put our stop below 80, right below 80. So we'll first catch the trade and then we'll work our way to the stop situation. Okay, price went below a little bit more. I think I can catch it there at 85 instead, so I'm gonna stay there to catch the trade because I believe price is gonna return back. Price return back. I'm moving my stop really quick so I don't get stop out. I'm right below this area here, right? This area is, you can see that I'm right below 70 right here. So let's see what happened here from there, if we're gonna get stop out or if the trade gonna work out. Now we're gonna look to target 120. Let's move this up a little bit more because I think 120 is a good area right here. Oh, wait, I may get stuck. I need to keep my stop where it is. My thing set up on auto break even. That's why it moved to break even. I didn't move it to go to break even. So where my stop is where it need to be. And you see I'm targeting this area, right? Because there's a lot of stuff going on right there. And you can see the 8 o'clock. Okay, I'm leaving it right at 19 because on the 5 minutes it looks like yeah, 18,019 is possible. So that's the first target, right? So I'm gonna keep letting it move a bit faster so we can get to it. It's taking its time. It's not moving fast enough to get there, but it's getting there. There we go. It looks like it's about to get there now. So it clearly now it's above VWAP. You can see the gray line is VWAP. So price is above VWAP. So we're looking to get our first target up here, right there. So we're still waiting. Maybe I should take the first target now because what time is it? I don't want to make the video too long for you guys. So if it's not working up its way up there fast enough, I may decide to just take the first target right away. All right, I'm taking the first target here in this area so I can move on. Okay, first target taken, and I'm gonna put my stop right there. If it comes there, then we call it a day. And since we don't want to make the video too long, this is a runner. Normally you would leave your runner and try to get the rest of the move. And if you see up here, it's possible for price to go there. There's liquidity there, right above there. All right, so that is it for me. I'm closing this, and then let's get to some more detail of what just happened, right? What just happened? Let's get to it. So, okay. And there you have it, traders. That's a wrap up on our deep dive into ICT Judas swing trading strategy. Today we have covered how to spot this deceptive market maneuver, the best way to enter and exit these trades, and the crucial role of risk management to keep your capital safe. Remember, the Judas swing is all about understanding and anticipating market psychology. It's not just about what the chart are showing you, but also about predicting how other traders are likely to react. By mastering this strategy, you will not only protect yourself from falling victim to these traps, but also learn how to profit from them. I hope this video has illustrated some powerful tactic you can use in your own trading. If you have found it helpful, please hit the like and share and subscribe, fellow traders. Your support really helps spread the knowledge and keep this channel growing. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification so you don't miss out on any future trading strategies and tips. We have plenty more content designed to help you get the edge in the market. Thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time, keep your trade smart and your risk managed. Happy trading. Just one more thing, this strategy can pass any funded account that you're trying to pass, any evaluation. All right, take care.